Hi there, students. I had a question from Mr. Music about what's the difference between flirt, mash, philander, court, dally, and spoon. Okay, let's see. To flirt. To flirt with somebody. To behave in a way to show that you're attracted to somebody. You're sexually attracted to them, but not very seriously. So he was flirting with every woman in the room. Okay? He was showing that he was interested in these women, but not in a very serious way. Okay, not very seriously. Notice as well, you can flirt with danger. You are playing with danger. Yeah, so a smile and a little bat of the eyes or something like that might be considered to flirt. Okay, so to flirt with somebody. Okay, the next word, to mash. Okay, let's see, this is a synonym of to flirt, but this is very old-fashioned English. To make eyes at somebody. He's making eyes at me. Okay, to make romantic advances at someone, but this is very old-fashioned. He was mashing with me all through the dinner. I wouldn't use it. If you use this nowadays, people are probably not going to understand it. Okay, the next word, philander. Yeah, a philanderer as a person. This is particularly common of a man who is looking for casual relationships with women. Yeah, he's a philanderer. He's always trying to pick up women to go to bed with them. Yeah, a married man who philanders. Okay, so to womanize, to play around. That's the idea of this one. Notice to philander, it's a bit old-fashioned. It's rather formal. Yeah, I think you might use this as a joke about your friend. You old philanderer. Which girl have you were you with this weekend? Okay, the next one, to court. To court, to have a romantic relationship with someone, but somebody that you intend to marry. I think this verb to court it's rather old-fashioned as well, but you can still use it. My parents were courting for 5 years before they got married. Going out together with someone on a more permanent basis. This is looking towards the future. Okay, to dally. To flirt again, but this one is very old-fashioned, very literary. He dallied with the woman. To play around with, to flirt with, to be amorous with, but this is very old-fashioned, and I don't think I would use it at all. Notice you can also use to dally, meaning to dawdle or to delay, to linger. Don't dally or we'll miss the bus. Yeah? And then finally, to spoon. Okay, this is another very old-fashioned word meaning to kiss and cuddle. So there were couples spooning in the darkness of the trees, for example, kissing and cuddling. They were snogging. Yeah, they were. But again, this is very old-fashioned. So out of all of these words, I think the most common is to flirt. Yeah, is to show somebody you're interested in them, but maybe not very seriously. To philander, a very formal word meaning to womanize, to pick up women. It's particularly for a man. To court, it's a bit old-fashioned. It's rather literary. You could still use it. It's to have a serious long-term relationship with someone. And then to dally, yeah, to effectively like to spoon, to spend time with the person you love. Dally has this undefined quality of not saying exactly what the couple are doing. So to dally with could have a huge range of different activities, from just chatting together quietly to something much greater. And then to spoon, snogging, kissing, cuddling, the things that couples do, but again, very old fashioned. So, to flirt, neutral formality, use it anywhere. Yeah. You could also flirt with danger. To philander, very literary, very formal, but definitely still in use. To court, rather old fashioned, you could still use it. And then I think to dally is too old fashioned to use anymore. To mash, I think, is obsolete. And I think to spoon is probably obsolete as well. To tell you the truth, when I hear the verb to spoon, I think of when you're lying in bed with your girlfriend and you both have your front is against her back, and you are close together, alluding to the way spoons fit together. Yeah. And that to me is probably more what I would interpret with to spoon. So I hope that's helped you. Quite a lot of unusual words here. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Flirt, mash, philander, court, dally, and spoon.